Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy content that's clear and actually helpful, don't forget to subscribe. I share videos you can really use. Let's get started.
Finding the refresh button in Outlook can be tricky because it changes depending on the version you use. Most people look for a single button, but it is often hidden in menus. If you use Outlook on the web, you will not find a dedicated refresh button inside the email list. Instead, you should use your web browser's refresh button near the address bar. You can also press the F5 key on your keyboard to reload the page. For the Outlook desktop app, look at the top ribbon menu. Click on the Send and Receive tab. You will see a button that says Send and Receive All Folders. Clicking this will sync your inbox and download new messages. A faster way is to press the F9 key on your keyboard. In the newer version of the Outlook desktop app, look for a small sync icon near the top of the folder list. On a mobile device like an iPhone or Android, refreshing is even easier. Open the Outlook app and go to your inbox. Place your finger at the top of the message list and pull down. You will see a spinning circle appear at the top. Let go and the app will check for new emails immediately. Sometimes Outlook stops syncing due to a poor internet connection. Always check your Wi-Fi or data if new emails are not appearing. If you still do not see your messages, try restarting the application entirely. Following these simple steps will ensure that your personal inbox always stays fully up to date across all your favorite devices every single day.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.